Hey everyone, welcome. It's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent couturier with Chalk Couture. As you come in, please make sure you say hello. In the bottom left-hand corner of your mobile devices is a share button. If you love what you see today, the greatest compliment you could give me is a share. If you're catching me on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for all the fun, crafty videos coming. And you guys, if you're checking me out on Facebook Live right now, you're going to see the big red live box in the upper left-hand side. You guys, I would love it if you would say hello. I want to welcome you to the page. So hi guys, how are you? Happy what's today? Monday? Yeah, today's Monday. Today's Monday, which is my Friday, because now I'm off for 3 days. Super exciting. So I kind of get my days screwed up. We had a lot going on today at work, and then I had a great call that I'm going to share with you guys. Super exciting. But for those of you that are new, I want to say welcome to my page. Thank you for being a fan. This is a company that is called Chalk Couture. So real quick, I'm going to put this up on the screen. Oh, not me. Putting this up on the screen for you guys. We are a DIY home decor and crafting company. Hey, Tony. Hey, Deidre. Welcome. That you're not going to find our products anywhere else except through us or the designers. We have silkscreen reusable transfers. We have our Chalkology chalk paste, and then we have our couture inks. We do have several surfaces like chalkboards, boxwood frames. We have canvas pillowcases and a tote. But you can use our products on an array of surfaces, you guys. You can do this on wood, tin, glass, dry erase board. You can do this on t-shirts and dish towels and pillowcases, and the list is just crazy, crazy endless, what you can use our products on. But the greatest thing that I can offer to you is this amazing business opportunity to be a designer like myself for just $99. This is the kit you would receive. There are 8 transfers, 2 surfaces, 5 chalk paste, your apron, your squeegee, your catalog, all the business supplies you need to get started. And this kit right here is worth over $240. Now, I can tell you something really, really exciting is we are going to be launching in Canada on May 6th, you guys. We have an official date for launch, so you are still able to get pre-registered right now. We are opening in 4 provinces, so it's going to be Ontario, British Columbia, Alberta, and Saskatchewan. So those 4 areas is where we are going to be opening up. And you guys, it is such an exciting opportunity to be a part of. I still have to get the... Oh, Tony, you definitely need to get inks. You guys, inks are amazing. That's where you can do your t-shirts and your pillowcases. You can do your dish towels. Tony, I love ink. I think once you get it and you try it, you will love it. Oh my gosh, Tony, if you have cousins there, the opportunity, get them pre-registered. This is such a huge opportunity, Tony. Oh my gosh, message me when we're done here and we can talk about it. But all you do is you send them your link and you're going to send them your designer ID and they could pre-register. It's the 4 provinces that are opening. Hey, Amy, how are you? And it's going to be opening up on May 6th officially, where people can shop and they can join. But right now it's still pre-register until Monday, which is, again, it's a huge opportunity. Huge. So definitely, definitely. All right, you guys. Let me get this all set up so you can see what I'm talking about when I say crazy, amazing products. Look, my project's crooked. There we go. So, you guys, this is what I'm going to be doing tonight. Worry less, love more. And truthfully, I want to do this on a t-shirt. I think that would be a great, great t-shirt. But I am out of t-shirts. I have to go to Michael's and get some more. So I'm going to do this on our chalkboard. And as you guys can see, I already have a design on here. This was one I did the other day with our cute little seed packets, but I'm going to change this out. Now, let me tell you, this is one of our chalkboards. This is our 9x12 Aiden Chalk Board that we have. It comes in black and white. And you guys, this is a very, very high-end DIY chalkboard. The chalkboard itself has a 50-year warranty, and it's a porcelain steel magnetic chalkboard. So it's super awesome. And I really love the frame on these. They have a beautiful distressed frame. So this one here, the black one, is definitely like true farmhouse decor. So I absolutely love it. So like I said, this design is already on my board. You can see, I can touch this, I can feel it. It's not going to come off. And I always tell you our transfers are reusable and that you can change out your designs if you don't seal it, right? So this is how you change out your design. So this is already on here. I'm just going to take some water. This is just regular water. I'm going to spray my board and I'm just going to let this sit for a couple minutes. Now, the other thing, the other really cool product that we do have is something called a board eraser. Excuse me, you guys, I've been talking for like the last 2 hours. So the board erasers are like these little circle things. And yes, this one's been loved very, very much. They come in a pack of 2 that we sell. You just get them wet. And then once this has sat, you just take it and you go over your design. So anytime you're using the Chalkology chalk paste, this is only when you're using paste and you do not seal your projects, you can absolutely remove your designs just like this and reuse the surface over and over again. And that's really the beauty of the product, the reusable transfers and the semi-permanent chalk paste, is you have the ability to change out your designs for each and every season. Because let me tell you something, you guys, we have so many transfers. We have over 130 different designs. We have fonts. And then we always have seasonal transfers, like always. So you can definitely change it out for each and every holiday season. Or maybe you just get bored with what you have and you want to change it out. Maybe you paint, you know, your decor and you want to change it. Now I have a brand new surface that I'm able to chalk on right here. So how cool was that? And by the way, this is our fuzzing cloth that we have. Reasons I love this: one side is for fuzzing your transfers. The other side is microfiber, where you clean off your surface like I just did, and it doesn't leave any kind of fuzzy residue. Love the fuzzing cloth. All right, so you guys, on the back of your transfers, like I always tell you, it tells you your use and care. It tells you how to peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store. So super awesome. This one is called our Worry Less and Love More. So I'm just going to take my transfer right out of my packaging. Some people like to keep their packaging because it does have like a little hole in here if you want to store it by hanging it somewhere. I put mine in a portfolio, so I'm just going to throw that away. Oops, I got some water on my board. Let me wipe that off. And if you guys have any questions as we're going along, please let me know. Whether you want to know about the products, whether you want to know about the opportunity to be a designer like myself, whether you're from Canada and you want to pre-register before Monday, let me know. It's exciting. So I just want to write on here, worry less, if I could spell. And the reason you write on the back is so that you know what side carrier sheet your transfer is going to go on. Now I'm just going to take my finger, I'm going to rub it over my edge to get it started. Okay, I tell people don't pick at your corners because you tend to pick it apart. Rub your finger over the edge. I'm going to flip it over and remove my carrier sheet from the transfer. It's just a lot easier that way. Now I'm going to set down my fuzzing cloth and I'm going to put this right on here just because it's super sticky the first time you use them. And one other thing, guys, be careful when you take your carrier sheet off of your transfers. You want to make sure you don't try to stick the sticky side together. It's very, very hard to separate. You usually have to put it in water to do it. But that's why, you just want to be very careful when you're removing that carrier sheet. All right, so now I'm going to take my transfer and put this on my surface right where I want it. Worry less and love more. What an amazing saying, right? I'm telling you, that would make an awesome t-shirt. Awesome t-shirt. So I'm going to smooth this out so I have no air bubbles in my silk screen. Everywhere you can see the board, that's your silk screen. So that's where you want to smooth it out so there's no air bubbles. And guess what, guys? No weeding in my letters. I love that I don't have to weed anything out. The transfers give it all that detail and character. Hey, Shirley. Oh, I'm so glad you're finally catching me. Vancouver Island. Awesome. Thanks for watching. So I'm going to go ahead and get my chalk paste ready. Now, like I had mentioned, chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent. So that's why I was able to remove that design like you saw I did in the beginning of the video. And you just want to make sure you stir these up. Okay. Oh, I need some water. So your chalk paste, you want this to be like a yogurt sour cream consistency. So if for any reason it isn't, like, do you see how kind of this is a little bit thicker right now? This is I'm using eucalyptus, fawn, and peachy keen for this design. Since this is a little too thick for me, I just want to add some water, and then I'm going to stir it up. You want to stir it up, number one, to blend all those pigments together to get that amazing color that you're looking for. And number two, you just want to make sure it's that great consistency that's going to allow you to spread it across your silk screen. So let me get this all stirred up. Oh my gosh, you guys. I have been talking on doing my Facebook Lives for my Canadian group and my team for the past 2 hours with all the amazing updates. I'm so excited for Canada. That is such a huge opportunity. Huge. Did I say huge? I think I said huge. Okay. So I'm stirring this up. So like if you know anybody that you think this would be an awesome fit for them, please feel free to share my video. I would love to help anybody who's interested in learning about about Chalk Couture and being a designer. You guys, it's been truly a blessing for my family, but not only my family, other members on my team, other members in the company. There have been people who have been able to leave their jobs and do this full time, which is super amazing, and that's my goal, hopefully by the end of the year. So super excited. All right, so I think this is the consistency I like. Like I said, yogurt sour cream. This is our cute peachy keen. Now you see how those pigments are coming out? You just want to make sure you blend those all together. And we sell the stir sticks as well, you guys. We have everything you need. Everything you see here today is all Chalk Couture. The chalk paste, the chalk board, the stir sticks, the fuzzing cloth, the squeegees, everything you need to get going. I keep forgetting it's Monday. It's so crazy. I work weekends. Like I work Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. That's my schedule that I work, and then I'm off Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Which is kind of odd for retail, but it's what I do. And so like today is like my Friday. So I'm kind of really excited because I get to chalk with you guys for the next 3 days. And I need one more. I thought I had enough out. All right. Oh, look, I did have an extra one. It was just hiding from me. Okay, so stirring this up. So for this design, I think I'm going to do a little ombre. So I'm going to go like light to dark on this one. And I'm just going to blend these colors together. Oops, sorry. If I made you shake. Shake, shake, shake. No, don't make me sing. You don't want to hear me sing. Now I'll be singing that song in my head though. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Oh gosh. Sorry guys. It's getting late for me. Alright, so now all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a glob of my chalk paste, put it there. I'm going to take another one, put it there. I'm going to take one at the bottom and put it there. Hopefully I have enough. We shall see. Oh, I guess I need to make sure my shirt doesn't go in my design here. So I'm just using my small squeegee. This is a small squeegee. And I'm spreading my chalk paste across my area. I'm going to go down just a little bit there. Okay. I'm going to get my... This is a pretty color. This is peachy keen, I think is what they called it. Okay. And any excess you guys put back in your jars. Don't waste your chalk paste. One more on the bottom. Well, I got a lot of this one. I don't need that much. Okay. So now, for when you're doing ombre, this is what you're going to do. Look, I got way too much on that, but that's okay. Okay. So you're going to take your finger and you're going to blend your colors together. So we're blending all these colors. I think I need a little bit more of this one. And you can always stick your finger in there and you're going to make a mess. It's kind of like your finger painting. Oh. I need some more green to blend this together. Oops, I got some on my frame, which is no problem. It'll come out. But I kind of want to get these colors blended together, just like that. Okay, clean off my hands over here. And are you ready to peel and reveal? And I'm going to show you. That'll come off. Now remember, top to bottom, left to right, never corner to corner. Oh my gosh, are you guys ready? Do you see how amazing that detailing is already? That drives me nuts. It's so awesome. Ta-da! That's it, you guys. Look how easy that was. It was that easy to pull this off and have my letters look amazing already. No weeding. No weeding whatsoever, you guys. Let me get some of my chalk paste that I got off over here. So the beauty of it is, if you mess up, you just clean it up with some water. Because I got it right on the board. Oh no, there's a, ew. Oh, my hairs. Oh gosh, that's, I'm sorry you guys, that's really gross, but it's stuck to the board. Really, Jen? I can't get it off. Oh, darn it. There's one of my hairs. That's so gross. I am so sorry, you guys. It's like super gross. Ugh. One of my hairs was on my board and it went across the letters while they were wet. Oh, really, Jen? It's okay. We're still good. So let me just clean off those little spots I have now from my hair. Goodness gracious. That. There's a little one right here. I got that. Oh, nope, I didn't. Hey, it happens. Totally happens. Totally fixable, too. That's the beauty of it. I just can't believe it happened. Oh, well. No biggie. All right. So if I wanted to, you guys, I could totally take this part off and redo it. But I'm not going to worry about it. But that's it. Look how cute. You can't really even tell. But isn't that, and that's a great sign. Like, isn't that a great sign for your entryway or in your bedroom or in your bathroom? It could go in any part of the home, to be honest with you. And it's just really nice, like no weeding. This is going to take a few minutes to dry. I could use my hair dryer if I wanted to as well. And that's it, you guys. It was that easy to create this design. Okay. Now, if I wanted to seal this and make it permanent, oh, thanks, Janelle. This is what I would use. This is a Krylon clear sealer. You can buy this at Michael's. You can buy it at Walmart. Any place. You can buy it at Lowe's. You would just spray your board and let it dry, and that's what makes it permanent. Okay, that's it, you guys. It was that easy peasy to create beautiful DIY home decor. Like I said, if you have any questions about the products, about the opportunity to become a designer, let me know. I would love to answer those for you. I've got all my stuff off here in a little tin, so you can see I'm going to clean this up so that I can use it later. And other than that, you guys, I guess I will chalk with you tomorrow, so stay tuned. This was day 9 of 40, so remember, I'm going live for 40 days, so you'll catch me right here tomorrow. All right, you guys, have a great evening. I'll chalk with you later. Bye-bye.